Okay guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome to today's video. I'm on Sunsolar.one website. The link is in the description of this video. I once made a review about this website, but then we didn't consider it as something that is going to last or something that is going to last forever. And on this one, I'm not still considering it as something that is going to last forever either. But we all know that everything done on most of these sites is a risk, especially when it has to do with a Ponzi site. Not all sites are Ponzi sites, but anything Ponzi scheme, invest this amount to get this amount for a short period. Some of those sites are Ponzi scheme, but I have some sites in my video which are not Ponzi scheme. So if you need to know which of them, you can send me a message. Yes, there are some things I talked about in my channel that are not Ponzi schemes, but stuff like this are Ponzi schemes. So I once made a video about this, and that one we didn't look at it as something that is going to stay up to this moment. But the fact is that this site is still paying, guys. It is still paying. It is paying and it's still paying. But I'm not a financial advisor. You can do your own research. Yeah, you can do your own research. But the fact is that it's still paying. So if you have anything you feel like to risk in a site like this, you can click the first link in the description box, the first link in the description of this video, and sign up if you want to sign up and still join the train, because it is still paying. But you can do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website. So guys, if you want to take any risk here, you can come here and click on recharge. You first have to recharge. You have to recharge first before doing anything on this website. So once you click on recharge, guys, then you now come to the purchase hall here and select your desired package here. These are the packages they have on this purchase hall. These are the packages they have here. Okay, once you scroll down here, you're going to see the packages they have. Then the below beside it what they pay per hour on each of those ones. Like this one is 10,000 naira. They're paying you 12.3 naira per hour. This is 9,000 naira, 117 naira per hour. So these are okay. This is 90,000 naira, not 9,000. The one of 90,000 is 117 naira per hour. So this is 8,000 naira, 11.5 naira per hour. You can do the calculations yourself and look at what you can get on every hour. You can times it by 24 hours, then calculate it by 1 week, calculate it by 1 month. In 1 month time, you must have got something reasonable. So if you want to take the risk, you can take the risk, but you can do your own research if you want to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I will not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website. So if you want to join this website, you can click the first link in the description of this video to join this website. I'm going to show you how to place your withdrawal. It is as simple as that. It's very simple, guys. So please, but before I do that, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. If you're joining this channel for the very first time, or if you've been watching my videos but you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button so that each time I give an update, you get notified easily. You get notified. You have to also turn on the bell notification so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video, so you don't miss updates. Some updates are always necessary to join them to join them at the very beginning and not to waste too much time. All right, guys. So let's quickly see how to place withdrawal on this very website. So once you want to place your withdrawal, just come to the home page here by clicking on the home here and click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, you have to come here and bind your card, and you have to come here and put your bank details. Please bind the card first. Bind the card first. You have to bind your card first. Then input the amount. Then click on withdraw. If you want to use your USDT TRC20 wallet address, you can come to this very page and input your withdrawal amount, USDT address. You have to bind your address. Then by clicking on bind address here and click on withdraw, it's quite simple. But if you need any assistance, I wouldn't want this video to be that long because I'll be ending the video right away. If you need any assistance in binding your address and doing stuff like that, you can join my Telegram group and send me a private message. Make sure that I am the very person you're sending the private message. You're not sending the message to someone who is not the admin of the group. I am the only admin of the group. So you can join my group and send me a private message if you need my assistance. Or you can message the owners of these websites. I am not the owner of the website. I'm not the owner, but if you need my assistance on something I can be of help to, that is what I'm talking about, and not something I cannot be of help to. So you can as well message the owners of the website, and they can help you out if you need any assistance, guys. So guys, I would love to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.